Hey guys, welcome back to the Queendom, and if you're new, welcome to the Queendom. My name is Black Queen, and I love everything natural hair, fashion, and skincare related. So today I will be using another Ayurvedic hair mask, and this is from the company BelleBarOrganic. And sis, this is your one-stop shop for all things natural, organic, and customizable skincare and hair care. So today my roots seemed a little bit dry and I wasn't having it because, I recently went on a strengthening treatment last month, and this month I am going on a moisture treatment. So I will be starting off with this Guacamole Ultra Nourishing Hair Mask. It is to deeply moisturize extremely dry hair. Now I know you guys are wondering, how can guacamole help your hair? But if you've seen my DIY avocado deep conditioning treatment, I did point out some key benefits of avocado. And so avocado is good for strengthening the hair roots. It's good to put in more moisture, and it also just provides a luster to your hair, brings back a shine. So it makes it seem more awake and more healthier. So I'm going to just add in a teaspoon of this Henna strengthening treatment. I'm doing that just to keep a good balance between the moisture, because I do know that avocado is very moisturizing, and so I do want to just keep a good balance. And so I'm only adding in like a teaspoon and then like a pinch, or that looks bigger than a pinch, but you get what I'm saying. And so I'm going to go in and add in about 1 to 2 dropperfuls of this onion and garlic hair oil. And it is to help thicken up your hair. And I'm excited because if you guys watch my DIY rice water and onion juice mix, onion provides that sulfur in our hair that we need, and sometimes we can be sulfur deficient and most of us don't know. So this would be a good alternative as well if you don't eat onions, or if you just don't want that smell of raw onion in your hair. Now this oil, it says that you can use it either weekly for a pre-poo, or you can use it daily, and that can just be used on your scalp and just to help moisturize the hair. But you should please spray water on your scalp before applying this oil. So here I'm adding in a little bit of aloe vera. This is to help stimulate my scalp and to add moisture to my hair. And I forgot to mention that beforehand, I just added in about a cup of warm water. That is what the directions asked for, and so that is what I did. And so as you're mixing, you should be able to get this nice brown earthy tone color. I love hair masks like this. I've recently opened up more into the Ayurvedic hair care methods, and so after I started using BelleBarOrganic and just hennas and fenugreek powder, or fenugreek seeds I must say, and my hair has just seemed to flourish after using those ingredients. And so that's why I am encouraging you guys to at least give them a try. BelleBarOrganic actually have a sample kit as well. So if you want to, give these methods a try, you can add it into your deep conditioners or your oils or anything of that sort. So that way you have a good balance. And so I'm just going in with my fingers and my hands just to help distribute the product. It is not too loose, but also not too thick, so I'm able to just glide my hands throughout my hair strands. So for years, my hair wasn't able to do this. Like, you see how I'm pulling it apart? I always thought that my hair was too stiff, too hard, but I've been using BelleBar products for a few months now, and my hair has been more manageable than I could ever imagine. So I'm going to allow this product to sit in for about 30 minutes. I'm going to place this plastic cap on my head, and then I'm placing a thermal heating cap on top of that, so that way the product can deeply penetrate my hair strands and follicles. So this is what my hair looks like before rinsing out the product. It felt and looked very thick and very healthy. And so this treatment, I would probably do this once every 2 weeks or at least once a month, so that way my hair can get more used to it. My hair loves when henna is mixed with something else like a moisturizing agent, and so I would recommend, if you're going to use henna or any type of Ayurvedic treatment, just mix it in with an oil or something that you're used to. I'm going in with this golden seed buckthorn. It is a super shine and moisture hair butter. It is used to retain and lock in moisture. And so when I seen this product, I actually just used this alone. Usually, you guys know I love doing my LCO, the liquid cream and oil, but I did not have to go in with the cream and I did not have to go in with the oil, because this butter is creamy, it's thick, it's everything that my hair, my type 4 hair loves. I love thick oils and I love thick cream, and so this is pretty much everything in one. And I have low porosity hair, but the only thing that's different is the fact that my hair loves thick oils and thick creams. And majority of my methods, I do use LCO. I need a lot of moisture, but that's the only thing. So if your hair does not take well with thick oils and thick creams, like if it coats it a certain way that you don't like, or your hair doesn't seem to grow, then I wouldn't suggest this, but I will suggest the other product that I will be viewing in a second. So keep in mind that a little bit goes a long way with this product. It's very buttery and very nourishing. I'm using this onion and garlic oil once again, but this time for my scalp, because who doesn't want the benefits of onion and garlic to just sit and soak on your scalp and allow your hair to grow to its full potential? It mentions to massage this oil in for about 1 minute, so I'm going in with my Pretty Lavish Beauty scalp massager, and I'm using this just because my fingernails, I have nails on, and I also just don't want to snag. I never want to snag my hair anymore, so using this silicone scalp massager definitely helps. And so this is how my hair turned out. As you guys know, I am doing a year precise of styling, and so I chose this style because I felt as though some of you may not wear wigs and some of you don't want to wear braids, and so this is a great alternative to keep your hair and your ends tucked away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment below if you loved it. See you guys next time.